On October 30, 2025, the U.S. Congress approved a landmark warship deal with the Philippines. This isn't just another military sale, it's a turning point for the Indo-Pacific. The U.S. is reaffirming its commitment to its oldest Southeast Asian ally. For the Philippines, this is a leap toward true maritime security. After years of relying on aging, World War II-era ships, the Philippine Navy is set for a dramatic transformation. The new warships will be among the most advanced in the region. This deal is the product of years of diplomacy and shared vision. Both nations recognize the growing maritime challenges and the need for a strong Philippine Navy. The agreement is a symbol of a partnership that's stronger than ever. It marks a new era. One where the Philippines is an active defender of its own waters. Modernization will boost the country's ability to patrol its vast exclusive economic zone. It will help combat illegal fishing, piracy, and other maritime threats. More importantly, it gives the Philippines a stronger voice in regional security. These warships are not just for defense, they're instruments of peace and stability. The message is clear. The Philippines is ready to protect its sovereignty. The Indo-Pacific is entering a new chapter with the Philippines at the forefront. The Philippine Navy's journey has been one of resilience. For decades, it operated with hand-me-down ships, many from World War II. Maintaining these aging vessels was costly and challenging. Filipino sailors kept them afloat with skill and determination, but the limitations were clear. The turning point came with the Horizon Modernization Program. New patrol boats and helicopters were the first steps, laying the foundation for bigger changes. Now, the U.S. warship deal marks the Navy's most significant upgrade ever. Old ships will be replaced by state-of-the-art vessels, a leap akin to moving from propeller planes to jet fighters. The Navy will see farther, react faster, and protect Philippine waters more effectively. This is the moment the Navy becomes a true regional maritime power. It's a story of national pride and commitment to self-reliance. Filipino sailors will soon operate some of the world's most advanced systems. Modernization isn't just about hardware, it's about empowering the men and women in uniform. The Philippines is investing in its own security and future. The transformation is real, and the world is watching. The U.S.-Philippines alliance is one of Asia-Pacific's oldest, anchored by the 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty. For over 70 years, this partnership has weathered challenges and change. Millions of Filipinos live in the U.S., deepening cultural and personal ties. Recent years have seen a revitalized alliance with both nations facing new security challenges. Tensions in the South China Sea have underscored the treaty's importance. Joint military exercises have grown in frequency and complexity. The warship deal is the most tangible sign of renewed strength. It's not a gift, but a strategic investment by the Philippines in its own defense. The U.S. provides technology and training, helping its allies stand strong. This partnership is now one of equals, working together for shared goals. The deal includes long-term commitments to maintenance, support, and training. It forges a lasting bond between the two navies. As the Philippines builds its modern fleet, the alliance remains the anchor of its defense. This partnership is ready to meet the challenges of the 21st century. Together, they're sailing confidently into the future. The new warships are technological game-changers for the Philippine Navy. Advanced radar and sonar systems will vastly improve maritime awareness. The Navy can now monitor larger areas and detect threats from air, surface, or underwater. Interoperability is key. These ships can operate seamlessly with U.S. and allied navies. Real-time information sharing and coordinated actions are now possible. The ships are armed with modern missiles, torpedoes, and electronic warfare systems. This leap in capability is a generational upgrade, not just an incremental step. The Navy will be able to deter aggression and defend its waters with confidence. Sophisticated defenses protect both ships and crews. Training and new operational doctrines will be essential to maximize these assets. The payoff: a fleet that's modern, relevant, and ready for 21st century challenges. The Philippines can now enforce its laws and protect its resources like never before. The era of a truly capable Philippine Navy has arrived. A modern Navy needs skilled sailors as much as advanced ships. The deal includes comprehensive training for Filipino sailors, engineers, and officers. Filipino personnel will train in the U.S., learning from top experts and using state-of-the-art simulators. They'll master advanced radar, sonar, weapons, and engineering systems. Teamwork and coordination are central to the training, building a professional, adaptable force. Joint exercises like Balikatan will become even more vital, allowing the Philippine Navy to practice complex tactics with U.S. counterparts. These exercises build interoperability and readiness for any crisis. Training fosters trust and personal bonds between allied sailors. Investing in people is as important as investing in ships. The Philippines is building a navy that's not just modern but world-class. Filipino sailors will be ready for humanitarian missions and high-intensity combat alike. This focus on training ensures the Navy's long-term strength. The new fleet will be formidable because of the people who crew it. The future of the Philippine Navy is in skilled, confident hands. The arrival of modern warships shifts the balance in the South China Sea. For years, the Philippines faced harassment and asymmetry in contested waters. Now, the Navy has credible means to patrol and defend its exclusive economic zone. Modern frigates armed with anti-ship missiles deter aggression and raise the stakes for would-be adversaries. The goal is deterrence, not provocation. Strength brings stability. The Philippines can now negotiate from a position of confidence. The new ships will protect vital resources, fish stocks, and energy reserves in the West Philippine Sea. Filipino fishermen and offshore activities will be better secured. This isn't just about the Philippines, it's about upholding international law for all. A capable navy helps ensure freedom of navigation and a rules-based order. The South China Sea's future should be defined by law, not force. The Philippines is now a key player in shaping that future. This warship deal strengthens the Indo-Pacific security network. The U.S. and its allies are building a coalition for a free and open region. The Philippines, at Southeast Asia's heart, is a critical link. A stronger Philippines makes the entire network more resilient. Integrated deterrence, combining military, diplomatic, and economic tools, is now in action. The new warships send a united message: aggression will be met with resolve. The Philippines is evolving from treaty ally to key security contributor. It can now join multinational patrols, humanitarian missions, and regional security efforts. This enhances the Philippines' standing and benefits the whole region. Securing maritime trade routes is vital for the global economy. This deal is a strategic investment in regional and global stability. Partnerships are the best way to meet today's complex security challenges. The Philippine Navy's modernization will ripple across ASEAN. Some neighbors may worry about an arms race, but most see the benefits. Many ASEAN states face similar maritime threats and are modernizing too. A stronger Philippines means a more balanced, secure region. This deal could inspire deeper security partnerships and modernization across ASEAN. Enhanced capabilities allow for better joint patrols and information sharing. The Philippines can now take a more assertive leadership role on maritime security. It can push for a unified ASEAN stance on the South China Sea. A credible navy adds weight to diplomatic efforts and regional negotiations. The goal is regional resilience, not rivalry. The Philippines is ready to be a valuable partner for its neighbors. ASEAN as a whole stands to benefit from this transformation. This warship deal is more than a transaction, it's a vision for the future. It marks a new chapter in the U.S.-Philippines alliance, built for modern challenges. The Philippines is declaring its commitment to sovereignty and peace. The new warships are symbols of national pride and resilience. This agreement is a cornerstone for Southeast Asian stability. It reduces the risk of conflict and upholds the rule of law at sea. The partnership sets a precedent for adaptive, effective alliances. Advanced technology and deep training create a model for regional security. The Philippines and the U.S. are charting a shared course for a secure Indo-Pacific. These ships will sail as guardians of peace and symbols of enduring friendship. The future is one of stability, sovereignty, and shared prosperity.